Hey everyone, welcome back to Web3 Learning Radio. Today, we're kicking things off with a bit of a wake-up call. The truth is, your crypto assets, yep, those digital coins you've worked so hard to get, are at risk of being stolen right now. If that sounds dramatic, it's because it is. Hackers are constantly on the prowl, looking for any opportunity to get their hands on your digital wealth. But don't panic just yet. Today, we're going to go over the essential steps you need to take to keep your crypto safe. Watch until the end, because this is information you can't afford to miss. First things first, let's get one thing clear: your crypto is at risk. Unlike regular money, crypto is completely digital. There are no physical bills or coins you can stash under your mattress. That makes it super convenient, but it also means it's exposed to all kinds of digital threats, from hackers to scams. If you don't have proper security measures in place, your assets could be gone in the blink of an eye. And trust me, it happens way more often than you'd think. So, why is crypto so vulnerable? Well, crypto isn't managed by a central authority like a bank. This is great because you have full control, but it also means you're the one responsible for protecting your assets. If you don't take the right steps, your funds could be stolen, and there's no customer service number to call for help. Especially if you're new to crypto, it's easy to overlook some basic security practices, making you an easy target for hackers. Let's dive into some examples to make this clearer. You've probably heard of hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is any wallet that's connected to the internet. Think exchange wallets or apps on your phone. They're super convenient for quick access and trading, but they're also like leaving your front door wide open. Hackers can find ways to break in if you're not careful. On the other hand, a cold wallet is a wallet that's not connected to the internet. This could be something like a USB drive where your crypto data is stored offline. It's much safer because hackers can't access it remotely. Think of it like keeping your money in a safe that's locked tight, way more secure. Another simple but super effective way to protect your assets is by using two-factor authentication, or 2FA. A password alone just isn't enough these days. With 2FA, you add an extra layer of security, usually through a code sent to your phone when you log in. It's like having a second lock on your door. Even if someone gets your password, they still need that extra code to get in. It might seem like a small step, but it's huge in keeping your crypto safe. Without it, it's like leaving your house with the door unlocked. Not a good idea. Finally, let's talk about hardware wallets. These are a type of cold wallet that stores your crypto offline on a dedicated device, like Ledger or Trezor. These wallets are super secure because they're not connected to the internet, so hackers have virtually no way to get to your funds. Even if your computer gets infected with malware, your crypto remains safe on your hardware wallet. Using a hardware wallet is like having your own private vault. It's the most secure way to store your assets, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that your funds are out of reach from online threats. So, to wrap things up, crypto is amazing and offers a whole new way to manage your money, but it comes with its own set of risks. By using a mix of hot and cold wallets, setting up two-factor authentication, and investing in a hardware wallet, you can keep your assets safe and secure. These aren't just nice-to-have tips, they're essential if you want to protect what's yours. The steps you take today will determine whether your assets are safe or exposed to threats. So, don't wait, implement these security measures and enjoy your crypto journey with peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Web3 Learning Radio. And remember, securing your crypto is like backing up your data. You don't want to wait until it's too late. So grab that cold wallet and stay safe out there.